Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail for clients, the CallRail platform. The CallRail platform builds on call tracking to provide an entire suite of integrated tools that makes marketing your business and turning leads into loyal customers a cinch. Pitching CallRail to your clients. Modern marketing. Modern marketing has opened up a wide range of ways to accumulate data from a variety of online sources, such as website visits, social media, paid clicks, and contact forms. Yet phone calls don't automatically generate the same analytics. Measuring the source, outcome, and quality of each phone call becomes difficult. Conversation analytics. Call tracking solves this problem. But how do you convince your clients that call tracking's worth it? This slide deck will help you frame your clients' pain points and offer CallRail as a solution to your marketing attribution needs. Guide. Call Tracking 101. The backbone of marketing attribution and proving ROI. Marketing your law firm before the existence of call tracking was like shooting arrows in the dark and hoping you hit your target. When potential clients would call, law firms would simply ask, "How do you hear about us?" There was no reliable way to learn which channels and ads were performing best. Fortunately, call tracking has evolved to make marketing attribution and proving ROI a breeze. Call tracking enables you to bridge the attribution gap between offline and online conversions, such as calls, texts, digital ads, traditional media, and more. It also enables you to get more value out of your phone calls so you can spend your marketing dollars wisely. Report on all touchpoints without platform bias. With Lead Center, you can sell, text, and chat from one easy-to-use form inbox. Combined with our analytics suite, you'll also have the real-time visibility to know which marketing sources are making your phone ring. CallRail objectively tracks the impact of each touchpoint in the customer journey, including ads, organic searches, direct mail, and much more. You can then package that data into easy-to-interpret reports that prove the value of your work to your clients. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.